I'm going to show you how to post your project to Padlet when you're finished, either your Google Slides or Google Docs sheet. You're going to go here on your instructions, post your work to Padlet. It will take you to the Padlet wallpaper, and you will just click on the plus sign under your grade level to add your card or your project. So I'm going to pretend like I'm in 8th grade. Your name should go in the title, and then you're going to add a link in a minute here so your slideshow or your Google Doc will show up there. So go to your project, either your Google Slides or your Google document, and go to File and Publish to the Web. You're going to click the blue Publish button. It will ask you, are you sure? And you're going to say, okay. Then you're going to do Command and C to copy. Go back to your Padlet. Click on the hot link and Command V to paste. Click Save. And this should take me to my project. Let's do Open in New Window. Yes, it does. So it works. Once you are finished, just click on the background and you can explore what other people are doing, or you can go back to PowerSchool Learning page and look at the videos that I've posted for you at the bottom.